Ready to escape the city and hit the open road? This Chevy 2500 is your ticket to freedom. I'm Dean from Big Dog Builds. We are the most awarded American truck company in Australia with over 500 trucks under our belt, just like the one behind me. If you're dreaming of the ultimate weekend getaway, follow me and let's check out this Chev 2500. This 3-inch lift changes the game off-road. It's one of the most popular suspension kits that we offer for the Chev 2500 HD, and there's a reason for that. It's simply one of the best on the market. With the BDS upper control arms, the remote reservoir shocks that are fully adjustable, revalvable and buildable, this kit is definitely one of the best on the market. One of the most frequent questions I get asked is how can I fill out a set of flares with 35-inch tyres on the Chev 2500 platform? The answer is most wheel companies offer a 20-inch rim in the more negative offsets. The more negative the offset, the further out from the vehicle you're going to get. The 18-inch wheel, for some reason, in the 8x180, which is the Chev PCD, a lot of wheel manufacturers, quite simply, don't offer it. So stepping up to the 20-inch option here, like this one here, these are a Moto metal legacy wheel. Gloss black finish looks amazing, and we've wrapped them in a Nitto Ridge Grappler, 35, 12.5, 20. These have still got an impressive 125 Q load rating. So this wheel and tyre combo, you get that nice dish the further out you come in offset. Looks amazing to me. 18-inch options, more for the non-flared fitments. 20-inch options if you're wanting a tough weekender. Flared fitment on this Chev 2500. Scared of the dark and heading to the middle of the outback? Let's look at the lighting option on the front of this one and how this is going to get you back home safely, no matter where you travel. Those that know, KC Highlights, one of the most iconic brands on the market. They've been around for years. Now that they're in Australia, these things look amazing. These ones here even have bash plates. Who has a bash plate for a light? The lighting output on these ones, I've been told, is amazing. I'm keen as to get this one into the night sky and see just how good they are. Nice slimline light option, so depending on which bar you're running for, nice, really nice and slim option there. It's got pretty cool cooling ability, so that wind's gonna flow through and you're not gonna overheat the light, which looks amazing as well. As those that travel in the outback know, you need some good front end protection. The Offroad Creative color-coded front bar looks amazing on the Chev 2500. Color-coded option, satin black hoop, that's housing the 3 KC lights up on there. STEDI lighting package inside the bar. It's got the 15K tank winch from Carbon Off-Road. You got both wireless and wired options there in case you ever need it. They're proven to be one of the most popular winch brands in Australia. There's a reason why. Before we head to the airbags in the rear, the gloss black Cat 6 indicators. It's the little things that make our builds different from the rest. The rear end of this one, super clean and tidy. We haven't done anything to the rear end because it's just staying nice and lightweight, just like this. We have still upgraded in the NB2 category to the 5,500 kilo GVM. This is going to allow for a nice big caravan on the back. We've got the airbags under here, so the Boss Triple Bellow airbags with the Readylift AirIQ airbag kit. So this air pressure control kit will allow you to use both the phone or the wireless remote control to inflate, deflate. If you've got multiple trailer options, that's definitely the pick for you. This one here, tinted tail lights. It's the little things that make this thing look so much better than any other Chev out on the road. And don't forget a good hitch on the back as well. So 7,000 kilo Gen Y hitch. You got your lockable options in there as well. You got your AT tongues with your DO45 on the back there. The rear end of this one, nice and simple, looks amazing. I wouldn't even change it from this, just me. So when adventure calls, the Chev 2500 Weekender is definitely answering. We're the most awarded American truck company in Australia with over 500 builds just like this one here, guys. If you like this Chev 2500, click on our website in the description below. If you like this Chev 2500, check out this one here to see these things boogieing up the beach. This build series here is wicked as well.